people, off to another drone meet with the West Midlands Drone Club. It's a really wet, cold Sunday morning. I'm going to a location I've been to before, which is Bartley reservoir. Best of this location is it's only 3 miles away from me, so it's just up the road. Quick 10-minute drive if that. But the last time we went, it was really windy to say the least, so it weren't too good. But today it's not too windy, so yeah, hopefully I'll get some good shots. But if it rains, then I won't be bothering flying. So see you when I get there. Ta-da, see you later. Hello again, people. The meet with the West Midlands Drone Club went well. I enjoyed it, as I always do. Only thing was, it was very foggy. It was cold, as you can see from the footage, very, very foggy. But yeah, hey-ho, that's the way it goes when you live in the UK. The weather's just crap all the time, as it seems. But yeah, another thing is, on Friday, I acquired a DJI Crystalsky 7.85 thousand nit version from my good friend Alan. Thanks, Alan. I appreciate it. Yeah, I'm just super impressed, totally blown away. I mean, I've been using my phone and tablets to fly my Mavic Pro, and this Crystalsky just blows them all out the water. I mean, here it is. This is the brightest setting, 1,000 nits at the minute, and yeah, I'm just super impressed. But yeah, anyways, thanks for watching, people. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you like. Again, thanks for watching. See you later.